Dream, create, and explore with our playful Velcro patches, designed to personalize your child's lunchbox and belt bag. Our patches feature durable, soft Velcro that holds tight. Our playful patches feature detailed embroidery or fuzzy chenille and playful colors that match perfectly with any bag your child chooses. Our high-quality Velcro patches hold firmly to the soft front panel on both our belt bags and lunchboxes. Dream, create, and explore new combinations together with our Velcro patches. Customize your child's belt bag or lunchbox and grab a few today.